Your biggest problem might not be your phone, your job, or even your anxiety. It might be the world you've secretly created inside your own head. A place where you replay old arguments, imagine future disasters, or live out conversations that never happened. It feels harmless. But psychologists say this habit can quietly change how you experience real life. Here's what almost nobody realizes. The more time you spend in fake scenarios, the easier it gets for your brain to pick imagination over reality. So how do you know if it's already happening to you? Let's find out. You probably don't even notice when it starts. 1 second you're focused on what you're doing, the next, you're replaying an argument that ended months ago, or imagining a fight that hasn't even happened yet. And here's the crazy part, your brain doesn't treat those moments as fake. That's why your heart races during an imaginary argument, or why you feel anxious about a disaster that hasn't happened. Your body reacts, even though nothing around you has changed. So why does your brain do this? It isn't trying to distract you. It's trying to protect you. It doesn't like leaving things unfinished, so it keeps bringing them back, not to make you overthink, but to search for a better ending. Sounds helpful, right? But here's where it goes wrong. Sometimes your brain gets so busy preparing for life, that you stop actually living it. That's when fake scenarios stop being a tool, and start becoming a trap. Why face a hard conversation, when you've already won it 100 times in your head? Why take the first step toward your goal, when you've already imagined the success? Without realizing it, your brain starts collecting rewards without you taking any real action. And that's dangerous, because real life is unpredictable. Your imagination isn't. In your head, everything goes exactly as planned. But real life doesn't follow a script. So how do you know when you've crossed that line? One of the biggest warning signs is this: you spend more time preparing for moments than actually living them. You've already had the conversation in your head, so you never make the call. You've imagined starting the project, so you keep telling yourself, "I'll do it tomorrow." Then reality starts to feel slower, less exciting, even disappointing. Not because your life is boring, but because your imagination keeps giving you a version where everything goes your way. So how do you stop your imagination from running your life, without shutting it off completely? The good news is, you don't have to stop imagining. It's one of the most powerful tools your brain has. The trick is using it, instead of letting it use you. Next time you catch yourself stuck in a fake scenario, pause and ask yourself one question. Am I getting ready for real life, or am I hiding from it? If the answer is, I'm hiding, that's your signal to stop replaying it, and take one real action instead. Make the call. Send the message. Start the project. Because no imaginary victory will ever feel as good as a real one. Your imagination should prepare you for life, not replace it. If this video made you see yourself a little differently, let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy psychology that's simple, practical, and actually useful, hit subscribe to Mr. Braino. We make psychology simple, practical, and life-changing, one video at a time.